Hello dear fans. How to calculate acceleration. In physics and classical mechanics textbooks, the concept of acceleration is often found. If the speed characterizes the speed of movement, or displacement for a certain moment of time, then acceleration is the change in the speed of the body in time modulo. It is the derivative of the speed. To find acceleration, you need to find the initial and final velocity of the body, as well as the period of time, and then perform a number of calculations on them. Instructions. Step 1. The body speed in most cases changes over time. So, for example, when a shot is fired or when a vehicle starts to move, the speed of movement of an object increases sharply in a relatively short period of time. The quantity that characterizes this change is called acceleration. If the vector v specifies the speed of point A at time t, and during the time delta t, the point manages to move from position A to position B, reaching the speed v1, the change in speed is calculated by the formula, delta v equals v1 v. Step 2. Acceleration, like speed, can be medium and instant. Average acceleration is the change in speed over a given time delta t. It is equal to the ratio of the change in speed to the change in this time, A, equals delta v slash delta t. Instantaneous acceleration is the limit to which the average acceleration tends over a given time. It is equal to the limit of the ratios delta v slash delta t, A equals lim, A, equals lim delta v slash delta t equals dv slash dt. Such acceleration develops at a small distance over a period of time tending to zero. Step 3. Movement is considered uniformly accelerated when the acceleration changes equally over any period of time. When acceleration is equal to zero, the motion is called uniform. The basic formulas describing uniformly accelerated motion are as follows: v equals v0 plus at, s equals v0 t plus at caret 2 halves, where vo is the initial speed, s, displacement if the movement is uniformly slowed down. These formulas take the form v equals v0 at, s equals v0 t at caret 2 halves. Step 4. If the point moves in a circle, the total acceleration is the sum of the tangential and normal, centripetal, accelerations, a equals and plus a tau. Tangential acceleration expresses the modulus of the rate of change in speed. It is directed tangentially to the trajectory of the body and is calculated as follows: a tau equals dv slash dt. The centripetal acceleration vector is directed perpendicular to the instantaneous velocity vector. Normal acceleration is equal to the product of the square of the angular velocity and the radius or the ratio of the linear velocity to the radius, and equals omega caret 2 asterisk r equals v squared slash r. The direction of tangential acceleration coincides with the direction of velocity. If the point moves in a circle, then the formulas for finding the acceleration will differ significantly. However, when finding any acceleration, it is important to know the initial v0 and final velocity v1, as well as the change in time delta t. Thanks for watching.